Alright, well, after run for the day, never had the vertical running satisfactorily. I might have to pull that open. You know, the last few times I had the head off, the valves were an issue, so I might have to try and figure out a way to relap those. And the ET7 runs really nice, but it goes through a lot of fuel because it seems to run a bit faster than or has to fire more often than the others to stay up to speed. But it ran okay. And the ET6 ran really nice today. And when I got the ET1 going, it ran all the way to the end of its tank too. So one interesting thing about the ET7, while it was running, it actually vibrated the boot loose on the spark plug. So I had to push that back on because I had it arranged so there was a bit of pressure out on the boot from the wires. So that was interesting. Didn't know that would happen. But had a fun day, and when I get inside, I will make a plan this week to pop the head off the vertical engine, the ETX, and take a look at it again. See if I did anything with that, or can make a plan to relap those valves a little bit. So otherwise it's chilly out, so that's why all the engines were such a pain to get started this morning. They're still pretty fun.